Oh God, she's an awesome God, He reigns. I'll never know easy. He's an awesome God, He's an awesome God. Oh God, He's an awesome God, He reigns. I'll never know easy. He's an awesome God, He's an awesome God.
Hey guys, my guitar is back with another episode of lesson. Okay guys, so for today I'm going to show you how to apply the bebop pentatonic scale the bebop pentatonic licks I played in my previous video. Okay, I showed you guys in my previous video. Okay, so it's going to be an awesome lesson, so you don't need to miss any part of this video. Okay, just watch it to the end so you don't miss any part. Okay, and if you know that this is the first time you're watching my video, I would like you to click on the subscribe button, okay? Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new video like this, okay? So guys, I want to shout out a very big thanks to my new subscribers and my old subscribers. Thank you very much for tuning into this channel. I really appreciate you guys, okay? So let's move straight into the video. So for this lesson, I'm going to do it in the key of F. You know, the previous lesson I do about the bebop scales up like this. Okay, so I play the bebop scale like this. Okay. So I want us to play on this song. I want us to use this song. I know most of you are familiar with the song. Okay. Our God is an awesome God, He reigns from heaven above. He says, you're an awesome God, our God, He's awesome God. I know most of you know the song. Okay. So the song progression is our God is an awesome God, He reigns from heaven above. I'll never know easy. He's an awesome God, He's an awesome God. Oh God, He's an awesome God, He reigns. I'll never know easy. He's an awesome God, He's an awesome God. Okay, so the first progression there is that is your La, which is the D minor chord there, okay? That is your La chord in the key of F, but it's a D minor chord. The D minor chord goes to your one chord. So I played the La, then I played the Va, but I played a B flat sus2 chord. I showed you that in my previous video, okay? This is the main B flat major chord. So do me. I likely play a B flat sus2 chord. So I play my C, a C sus2 chord instead of a C major chord. Instead of C major chord, I play a C sus2 chord. Okay, so the first chord I play there is oh God. I play a B flat, that is Va. Is an awesome. You go to your one chord, which is the F major chord, your F major chord. Okay, God He reigns. I go to my C sus2 chord, which is the Sol chord there. Oh, never, never. That's where I played the D minor chord there. Is you. I go back to the Va. Is an awesome God. Okay, so this is how it sounds. Oh, be Va, God He reigns. Our rebel now is you. In an awesome God, in an awesome God. Okay, so I know many of you are familiar with the song. So when you are improvising in songs like that, okay, you can apply that bebop scale. Okay. Our God, He's an awesome God, He reigns.
from heaven above is you. He's an awesome God, he's an awesome Okay, stuff like that. That will be when you're having a timing. Okay, then you can apply that scale. La la sol mi mo re do la re la. Okay, that's from your sixth note to your fifth note to your third note with your flatted to your second note and to your first note and to your sixth note again. Then go back to your second note. Okay, that's starting from your D, go to your C, come back to your A, to your G sharp, or you can call it A flat, to your G, G major, to your F, and to your D, okay, D major. Then go back to your G, to your F, D major again, okay. Then you play the same way on another octave here, okay. This is another octave of the key of that scale, okay, of that licks from your D major again to your C, okay, to your A major, to your G sharp, or you can call it the A flat, okay, to your G, come back to your F and your D again, okay. Then you play your C, your C sharp and your D, C sharp, C sharp and D. Then you play your F, go to your G, to your A, then you pull on from the A to the G, okay? Okay. Come back to your D again. Okay? Oh God, He's an awesome body rain. God now He's an awesome God, awesome. Okay, so guys, I think with that video you'll be able to comprehend on it, okay, and also see how you can work it out on your guitar section. Okay, all right, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.